Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fake cough easily. This will be a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into this video tutorial. Once again, the topic of this video will be me showing you and telling you specifically how to fake cough easily, and this will be a step-by-step tutorial. So you want to fake cough easily, this is a video for you. I'll be showing you how to do it with a step-by-step tutorial, easy steps. So basically, 4 easy steps. Let's get into this, okay? Without further ado, without repeating the title another 10 times like I do from time to time. Okay, so step number 1 is to cough on command. Now, obviously, you know how to cough. You can cough on command. You just breathe in, and you basically kind of get your throat, and if you imagine you're kind of bringing your throat together, like, and then you're pushing out the air, right, like that. So that's step number 1. You want to cough on command, but don't do it super frequently. Do it like here and there, okay? Here and there. Now there might be when people think about fake coughing, they automatically think about pretending to be sick. There might be other reasons. Maybe you're an actor or an actress, right? And you have to pretend you're sick for a movie, or you have to fake cough. It all depends. But these are the steps to take. The reasoning behind you wanting to fake cough, that's completely up to you. I'm just showing you how to do it, and I'm telling you how to do it. So fake cough sporadically, right? You breathe in, kind of bring your throat together, and then force that air out, okay? Step number two is to vary it up a bit, okay? You don't want it to be an identical cough every time. It doesn't need to be, no, it's not believable, right? Sometimes when you have a cough, you're like a really intense one, sometimes it's like, right? It all depends. So vary it up a bit. That's step number 2. Step number 3, clear your throat every once in a while. To clear your throat, it's like you're coughing, but not as aggressively, and you're keeping your mouth shut. You don't want to go, no. People are going to run away from you, right? Hold your mouth closed, right? You're like scratching your throat with your vocal cords kind of in your air, okay? And bring those two together. Maybe like 45 seconds later, and then another minute and a half later. Okay, and that leads me to step number 4, which is cover your cough. When people are fake coughing, I've noticed that they have a tendency to not cover their cough because they know that it's fake. The brain subconsciously knows that it's a fake cough. By covering your cough, you're going to appear to be coughing for real, because when you cough for real, if you have good etiquette, you should cover your cough, right? I tell my kids all the time, I have 4 young kids, if they're coughing, I say, cover your mouth. Cover your mouth, cough into your arm, whatever the case is. So very simple. And even, most people will know to cover your cough. So when you're coughing for real, you cover your cough. When you're coughing as a fake cough, people have a tendency to forget to cover it. So make sure you cover your cough. That's it. That is how to fake cough easily, a step-by-step tutorial. Honestly, try to make it as easy as possible. If you like this video, please be sure to, and try to make it short and sweet. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a short and sweet thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.